So one of the problems with 1ZZ engine is lack of baffled sump. It's got a, just put my gloves on, it's got a windage tray, which is basically a stock oil going up into the crank, I presume, albeit some oil sits above it. Now, the way it sits in car is like that. So, engine at back. So if I'm braking and coming into a right-hand bend, all oil's going to push forward and it's all going to push over to that side. And the oil pickup's down there. So what we want is a gate across there. Bear in mind some oil sits above it. Stuff that's below it, I don't think it's going to go too far. Stuff that's above it, I want to keep there. So I want a gate across there, and I want a gate across there. So what we've got is, we've got some bar, and I'm just going to twat it down. Right angle. So we'll just give that a clean up. So I'm just going to clean this up. And then what we've got now is a piece of bar. So obviously I've measured it. I've had to just notch that corner out there because it just sits on edge of windage tray, but that will fit just in there, like, you get my drift, something like that. And then what I can do, I can get some welding hinges and build a gate for both sides there, which should give me baffled sump. Now, other thing I'm going to do is the pickup has got room to move further down in sump. I believe it can move down by 8mm. I'm probably going to do it 5mm, but only because next door's plasma cutter will only cut 5mm. But dropping it 5mm and the two gates, I reckon will let me sit on any long right-hand bend after I've just braked, and I'll be all right. I'm going to test it at Aintree, which has a really, really long right-hand bend, and also Three Sisters. So once I've tested it and I'm happy with it and I've not blown my engine up, then I may well make a run on them. And if anybody wants them, they're not going to be a least parts money, which is about, I think, 600 quid. Moroso Sump's at 800 quid. I think going to be out like that. It'll be three figures by the time I've bought a new sump and had the plasma cutting done and done that. But it's going to be 100 and something quid, not 600 or 800 and something quid. So watch this space.